Okay, for today's project, I'm installing this utility trailer tow hitch for my um, bad Boy Rambler zero turn. It comes with a couple bolts to install it. I already have a 2-inch hitch installed on there, so I'm gonna have to see how this works out because I use the same mounting holes. But let's take a look at this and get going on it. Alright, I got a couple 13mm wrenches. I had halves on here before and it was really tight. These seem to fit a little better actually loose, but take this off. You can see I have my 2-incher on here. With this flipped, the correct way it should be mounted is this way. I think we'll be taking this on and off, so it's not going to matter. Won't need that. Alright, got those on. I do believe that this is installed. We're going to use it, and this one's installed. We're going to hit. I flipped this over, so I had to raise my trailer up some. Now, if I'm this way, I'm still going to hit. So I do have a problem. We're going to have to do something different. Otherwise, I'm going to have to run this ball on the other side so we can get more clearance. Which still might not be enough. If that's the case, I'll modify this. Weld the plate on here, raise it up to here. Let me check it out. That's all it takes to install it. It's a couple-minute job. I have it installed where it's raised up higher to give clearance for my hitch, but I don't think I'll have enough room. I'll have to modify it. But if you're going to use them this way without the 2-ball hitch on there, that's all you need to do and you're done. And you could flip that the other way. All depends on the height of your trailer. There, as you can see, quick and easy. I do recommend you flip it over the correct way that it should be. You can see my trailer is sitting upward, not level. So if I were to flip that, it would be fine.